How do you file a discrimination claim with the EEO? Imagine facing unfair treatment at work and wondering what steps to take next. If you believe you've been discriminated against because of your race, gender, age, or disability, you might consider filing a claim with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. This federal agency helps protect your workplace rights and ensures fair treatment for everyone. First, you need to understand if your situation qualifies under federal laws like Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, or the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. These laws cover discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, and age. Make sure your complaint involves one of these protected categories. Next, be aware of the time limits for filing. You generally have 180 days from the date of the discriminatory act to submit your claim. If your state or local laws also prohibit discrimination, you might have up to 300 days. It's best to act quickly to keep your rights protected. Gather all evidence that supports your claim. This can include emails, messages, witness contact information, or notes about incidents. The more proof you collect, the stronger your case will be. Keep copies of any relevant documents or records that show the discrimination took place. When you're ready to file, you can do it in several ways. You can visit a local EEO office in person, mail your complaint, or submit it online through the EEO's public portal. When filing, provide details about your employer, the nature of the discrimination, and the dates when incidents occurred. The EEO will give you a charge number and a copy of your complaint, which you should keep safe for future reference. After filing, the EEO might suggest mediation. This is a voluntary process where both sides try to resolve the issue without a formal investigation. Mediation is confidential and often faster than going through a lengthy process. If mediation doesn't work or is declined, the EEO will investigate your claim by collecting evidence from both you and your employer. This process can take several months. Once the investigation is complete, the EEO will decide if there is enough evidence to support your claim. If they find no cause, they will issue a dismissal and notice of rights, which allows you to file a lawsuit in federal court within 90 days. If they find cause, the EEO will attempt to settle with your employer. If settlement fails, they may file a lawsuit on your behalf, but they are not required to do so. If the EEO dismisses your case or chooses not to sue, you still have the right to take legal action yourself. You can file a private lawsuit in federal court within the time frame specified in the Notice of Rights. Filing a discrimination claim with the EEO is an important step in protecting your workplace rights. It helps address unfair treatment and can lead to resolutions without going to court. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with an employment law attorney to make sure you meet all deadlines, gather the right evidence, and understand your options fully.